We need to save money.
Why do we need to save money?
Because we need to buy a house.
But a house is so expensive.
That's why we need to save money.
How much do we need to save?
We need to save enough for a down payment.
How much is that?
That's about $30,000.
$30,000. That will take forever.
Not if we save every penny.
Okay. Here is 7 pennies.
Conversation 2.
The ocean is so big.
You can't see the end of it.
It goes on and on forever.
And it's deep, too.
I think it's 5 miles deep.
Are there fish at the bottom?
There are fish at the top and the bottom.
Are there more fish or more people?
I think there are more fish.
I hope so. I love to eat fish. Conversation 3. I'm upset with my mom.
Why is that?
I warned her about her new boyfriend. She didn't listen to me.
What happened?
I gave her $1,000 for her birthday. I told her to spend it on herself.
That was very nice of you.
I found out that she gave it to her new boyfriend.
Why did she do that?
He said he would buy her a nice ring.
What's wrong with that?
He went to Las Vegas. He lost it all gambling.
I hope your mom broke up with him. Do animals talk to each other?
Of course they talk to each other.
What do they talk about?
They talk about other animals.
What else do they talk about?
They talk about food and the weather.
Do they talk about us?
Of course they talk about us.
What do they say about us?
They say that we are funny looking.
Ha. We're not funny looking. Animals are funny looking.
We're funny looking because we wear clothes.